Hello and welcome to my Eclipsa makeup tutorial. First, if you're wearing a wig like me, you want to pin your hair back. Then you want to use primer, foundation, and concealer. I ended up doing some of the basic makeup off camera in this video because my camera demanded more space. And this was the same weekend I redid my Chihiro makeup tutorial. Like I mentioned before, you want to do concealer. And use a small sponge. And don't forget to use setting spray. Next, fill in your eyebrows that matches your wig with eyeshadow or this teal eyeliner I'm using. Next, fill in your eyebrows. Wait, I said that already. I'm hesitating. Fill in your eyelids with dark purple eyeshadow. I would have used plum, but I felt that looked too dark. After that, do winged eyeliner. I don't know how big Eclipsa's wings supposed to be, so it could be large or medium size, whatever shape you want, it's all preference. You also want to fill in your bottom eyelids with black eyeliner, and I ended up doing it off camera because my camera was being a bitch, which you'll see in the next clip. Obviously, I did my bottom eyelids already, and now moving on to eyelashes. Well, my real eyelashes, obviously. So I'm going to use my iPad because my camera, there's not enough space on my camera, so I need to use my iPad, so excuse the really shitty quality. So you want to do fake eyelashes next. I'm saying next a lot now. Because I can't afford stencils, I'm going to use this business card I got from a photographer as a stencil to make it stick to my face. I would have used tape, except I don't have tape, so you're going to see me struggle and fill it in with red face paint. Because I'm right-handed, the left ace doesn't come out very good. And again, you'll see me struggle. And if you make a mess, wipe the excess off with makeup removers or go over it with your foundation. doing is lips. I'm using this plum lip cream I never actually used. And I made my top lip too plump. So in the next clip, I'm gonna narrow it down with foundation. Put your gloves and wedding ring on, and you are done, and you are Eclipsa. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time with another cosplay, and in the meantime, enjoy all these poses.